Okay, here's one of my newest boats. It's an 18-inch single cockpit racer. Single motor, runs on 4 C-size batteries. This is a really pretty boat. 18 inches long. I'm only going to make 10 of these. You can see it's all mahogany, all varnish, stained. Used original Chris Craft stain. 10 coats of varnish, sanded between coats. Here's the inside. Here's the switch. The bow light lights up. It's all stamped, signed, and everything else. This is a beautiful boat. Single cockpit racer, 18-inch. It'll be available on rccraft.com. This, of course, is going on YouTube, and I'll put it on my Facebook page for now until I cancel that Facebook page. But this is it. It's a beautiful boat. Thanks for all your kind words on my boats. I hope you enjoy.